Whether a cucumber makes it into the shopping basket depends on its shape, length, and the nature of its skin. An appealing green color and an appetizing appearance are crucial as they indicate freshness, bite, and a good flavor. Due to these requirements, vegetable breeding goes far beyond classic breeding goals such as yield. Different needs within the value chain make it even more complex.
For wholesalers and sellers, stability in supply, which means volumes and quality, as well as long shelf life for the transport, are crucial. Growers need high-performing varieties that offer consistently high yields, wide adaptability to various conditions, and strong resistance to diseases.
The example of tomatoes illustrates how challenging it can be to bring together different grower and consumer requirements and translate these into breeding goals.
There is a wide variety of tomatoes, from little cherry or cocktail to big round or beef tomatoes. Above all, varieties that ideally combine sweetness, so a good taste, a nice color and a good firmness, with long shelf life and agronomical performance for the grower are in demand.
This presents breeders with major challenges and requires fresh ideas.
Combining this is the big deal, because by nature, tomatoes that can be stored for a long time don't necessarily taste well. And the particularly tasty tomatoes traditionally could be stored for only a few days. Bringing these characteristics together in one variety by breeding was difficult and time-consuming.
The subjective preferences of all partners in the value chain must also be taken into account in pepper breeding.
We check whether the varieties from our breeding program meet the defined criteria. In addition to basic traits such as weight, shape, size, color and firmness, we measure performance under various conditions, based on many different traits such as durability and disease resistance.
Breeders are supported by miscellaneous technologies, including molecular breeding, cell biology, and advanced digital phenotyping. In addition, innovative approaches, crop knowledge, and the interdisciplinary collaboration of R&D experts at the worldwide KWS breeding stations play an important role in speeding up variety development.
Red beet and Swiss chard are closely related to sugar beet. They actually belong to the same species. This makes it possible to exchange breeding material across these crops and to exploit synergies.
Examples are resistance genes, which are part of the basic trait package of every KWS sugar beet variety.
We are now also implementing them in red beet in order to successfully combat diseases such as rhizomania.
Breeders in cucumber and pepper are supported by the advantages of the so-called double haploid method.
The DH method allows us to use homozygous plants to combine traits such as resistances and characteristics that affect the shape or color of a fruit. In the past, this was only possible through years of self-fertilization of selected plants. The DH method significantly shortens the process, which is very important in plant breeding.
DH technology has also been successfully developed for cucumbers and peppers. In the future, more crop species are to be added.
Our collaborative work has literally borne fruit with the development of the first commercial hybrids in tomato and watermelon. In the next few years, we will launch more products onto the market. Let's follow the fresh trail.